Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Subtraction answer game. Are you ready to solve some fun subtraction questions? Let's begin. Here's your first question. What is 9 minus 4? Think carefully. Correct. 9 minus 4 equals 5. What is 7 minus 3? And the correct answer is 4. Great job. Can you solve this one? 8 minus 2 equals. The correct answer is 6. Excellent. What is 6 minus 1? Correct. It's 5. Well done. Next question. 10 minus 6 equals. Correct. It's 4. Super. What is 12 minus 5? The correct answer is 7. Amazing. Let's try this one. 11 minus 6 equals. The correct answer is 5. Great job. What is 15 minus 9? Correct. It is 6. Awesome job. Here's another challenge. 14 minus 7 equals. Correct. Answer is 7. Brilliant. Let's try this one. 13 minus 4 equals. The correct answer is 9. Great job. What is 11 minus 8? Correct. It's 3. Well done. Last one. 12 minus 6? Correct. 12 minus 6 equals 6. You did amazing today. Great job, kids. You guessed all the subtraction answers so well. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.